Hey, musicians, get your first gig in the next 7 days, even if you've never played live before. No connections, no experience, just a simple system. Hey, listen, you don't have a talent problem. Maybe you just don't know what to say, who to reach out to, or how to actually get booked. Listen, I've been through that myself, and I've spent 30 years and thousands of gigs figuring out what works and what doesn't when it comes to getting booked. So I built a system that actually works in the real world in order to get and keep gigs. It's called the M4 system, and we built an AI booking assistant based on that program. It's awesome. It's amazing, and it's so helpful, and it's so easy to use. And by the way, it's also free. You just answer a few questions, and it helps you find venues, write your messages, follow up, and actually take action. This is where most people and most musicians get stuck, and it just handles it for you. If you actually use this, you could have your first gig booked this week. Can you imagine? But this is just step one. As I mentioned before, this AI tool is built for my M4 system, which is how I help musicians go from 0 gigs to getting booked and actually having a career. And you can get booked consistently and actually make money from your music. So it's the real deal, and it's part of an amazing community of musicians at all levels. We call it the Making Money Making Music program. If you want to try it, just join the community, click the link, open the AI assistant, and type start. Follow it and send your first message today. Don't overthink it. Just start. Do it. Go. I'll see you inside.